Yo, what's up my friends? Dank McD in the place. Just doing a quick light review on this Mars TS1000. Been sent this by the good people over at Mars Hydro. Give this a run and test it out for them. So I said I'll do a few videos and that along the way. You know how it is. So yeah, this is the TS1000. 150 watts, dimmable, and yeah, so just open the box, just having a little look, usual business, get the user manual with it. Not that you really need it, there's not that much to do. Got some power leads. What I do like about these, they always send the whole set of ratchet hangers. The light is literally ready to go straight out of the box. I've paid over £300 for lights before and just never even received any ratchet hangers, so you've still got to then go and buy them to be able to use the light. But this one comes ready to go. Notice this new version seems to have some sort of Wi-Fi connection, so they give you a extension sort of telephone cord. And then yeah, you've got the driver there, got the dimmable unit there. The dimmable unit's also got an on-off switch. And then there's the Wi-Fi connections, all in that little box there. But yeah, looks slightly newer version than the other type. Seem to be using a slightly better metal now. As you can see, it's like a nice white finish. Get this out. And there it is, guys. That's the TS1000 ready to go. Just hang her up. Plug it in, and away we go. So yeah, next video I do, we'll get it hung up and switched on. Check out some of the diodes and see what's what. But yeah, thanks for tuning in for now, guys. Peace out. I'll get back to you soon.